Hey, my friend Rodney Walker here of Grant Center USA and Get Funded with Rodney. I've been sharing with you in a number of different videos what is a grant, and I'm going to continue today to share with you what is a grant. And I want to share with you in this particular video actually what is a grant and how can you position yourself to be able to get grants. Now, I've already shared with you some information about who qualifies, and if you haven't had a chance to see who qualifies and where these grants come from, go check out the other trainings that I've given in some of the other videos. But for now, how do you go about positioning yourself in getting a grant? So what is a grant? First of all, it's funding, again, that I said, that is going to a particular charity or a particular organization to do greater good that's been proposed. And how do you position yourself to get some of these grants from these funders that are giving them out, whether that's the government or whether that's a private foundation? How do you position yourself so that you can start qualifying for some of these grants? Well, let me tell you, the way that you position yourself is oftentimes you have to be a nonprofit organization, or you have to have a project that's in alignment that you are doing with a nonprofit organization that you're partnering with, or if you're seeking an educational grant, those grants may go to an individual, so you don't have to necessarily position yourself with an organization. But the way you position yourself most often is that you have to apply, and you have to look at the funder's qualification. And the funder will oftentimes tell you who qualifies and who does not qualify. And so that's why you want to read the guidelines to see exactly who qualifies so that you can position yourself to start getting the funding that you need. Now, the way that you do that is oftentimes by doing a grant application or a proposal. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk to you more about that proposal. But in the meantime, if you're really interested in learning how to write grants and learning to take it to the next level, I have a very special training called Grant Writing for Beginners. And I share with you 12 mistakes that are commonly made when you're seeking grant funding so that you won't make those mistakes. So go over right now, check that out, and I'll see you. If you found this information helpful, like, subscribe, and remember, stay tuned for the next video, because in the next video, I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do and what goes inside of that proposal. All right, take care and all the best.